We're back and we are Unboxalot. And what we have today is Lego Creator 31027. It's a 3-in-1 set. It makes a race car, another race car, some kind of bulldozer or grader. 67 pieces, ages 6 to 12. Now, on the back, it shows you more about these and the traffic cones, and looks really good. But we might have already opened it and built it, but oh no, there's the traffic cones, but where's the car? There it comes. Now, let's zoom in on this car and I'll show you some details. And that's one for the blooper reel too. Now, if you see here, this it has theoretically the engine compartment in the back, and that's the engine, and it opens up in the back. It's some kind of souped-up race car, right?
Yeah.
It is not minifigure size. It looks like with this number of pieces, none of the 3 models that we'll be making with this set are minifigure sized. And as you see, it comes with 4 traffic cones. It drives off, and so we're back with Lego 31027, and now we've done Model B, which is this. What do you think it is? A snow plow or a bulldozer? Something like that? Well, let's see how it works. Bring it on down. Oh, it plows through quite nicely, doesn't it? Just plowed over all the traffic cones. And here is what it is. It has a little siren on top, and this is the grader or the snow plow.
It was supposed to look good.
Alright, let's set them up and knock them down. Wait. Alright, nicely done. Now let me see it.
I jumped.
Okay. And there is Model B. We'll be back. We're back with 31027, and we've built Model C. This one's more like a go-kart maybe, or something like that, like rocket car, I'm not sure. But we were wrong when we said that none of them were minifigure size scale, because this one you can see the minifigure in it. And let's see the car. Oh, nice wipe out of the cones. Now let's see exactly what we got here. If you see, this is minifigure scale, where it could sit a minifigure right in there. The seat kind of folds down and folds back so you can get into the engine here. That's the, I guess, the rocket boosters or whatever. And they all basically have the same design with the long piece with that in between. Now, these 3 models weren't bad, about 15 steps, plus or minus a few for each build. If you look through the instructions, fairly easy build, not that many pages to the instruction book itself. It's a nice 3-in-1 creator set. We found it didn't have as much creativity as some of the other ones. I mean, a car, a go-kart, and a bulldozer. With only 67 pieces, I guess they did what they could, but it didn't have a lot of variety like some of the other larger 3-in-1 creator sets have, but at the price point, it's not bad. Alright, until next time, we are Unboxalot Toy Channel.